vocation. Poem number 8, vocation. As name suggested, when we go school, market, on your way to school or market, you see many people at work. In pair, discuss what you have noticed. In road line, hawker, shoemaker, vegetable seller, you can see many type of person. Then read this poem. You may read aloud with a partner if you like. Vocation means any type of career, any type of occupation. Vocation means any type of career, any type of occupations. I start the poem on the page number 109. I start the poem, page number 109. When the gong sound 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our land. When the gong sound means loud sound in the 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our land means road, land means road or street. Like the high words. Land, road or street. Every day I meet a hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. Second is hawker means one who sells goods in the street or from house to house or from house to house. You can see many type of the people, shoemaker, vegetable seller, hawker, any type of hawker, and then the lorry man also. When the gong sound 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our land, every day I meet the hawker crying bangles, crystal bangles. We all know about the crystal bangles. And he was crying loudly speaking that bangles, we know the bangles, crystal bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. Because for him no restriction is there. Nothing to hurry about him, anything, no road he must go, no place he must go, no time he come to the home, when reach to the home. I wish I were hawker, a schoolboy. When he was passing through the land, he saw the hawker and he wished to be a hawker. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. And the boy, the children mind is full of ideas and thinking. He thought that I wish I were a hawker and spending whole day on the road and crying the bangles, crystal bangles. Please children note down these two meaning. Please children note down these two meaning in your book. Third one is Crystal. Crystal made up of made up of transparent high quality glass. Crystal made up of transparent high quality glass. Crystal made up of transparent high quality glass. Please children note down this. Please children note down this. Again I repeat this stanza. When the gong sound 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our land, every day I meet hawker. Every day he meet the hawker crying bangles and cries to bangles. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. The stranger tells us about that the children passes through the land and so the bangle wala hawker, and then he think about that there he has a no road must take up, no place to go and no time to reach at the home, and that's why he wish the schoolboy wish that he were a hawker and spending whole day in the road crying bangles, crystal bangles. Now second stanza, when at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. When afternoon school finished and he come back from the school at 4 o'clock, at 4 o'clock he sees the gate of the house, and in the gate the gardener digging the ground. Gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes, what with his spade. With his spade he do. He does whatever he likes. He does whatever he likes. He soils his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. If he gets bagged, bagged means, please underline the word bagged. Terrible heat. By terrible it's sweaty, by terrible heat. Bagged in the sun or gets wet. Because of sweat, he become wet. He become wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from the digging. Now at 4 he see the gardener, and now the schoolboy wants to be a gardener because nobody tell him why your clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task. Nobody, and he gets bagged and in the sun and gets wet. and nobody tell him anything about task. So now schoolboy wants to be a gardener, digging away at the garden with the nobody to stop me from the digging. That's why schoolboy now want to at 4 o'clock now he wants to be a gardener. At 10 o'clock he wants to be a hawker. Now 4 o'clock he wants to be a gardener. Just as gets dark in the evening and my mother sent me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. Watchman walking up and down. At the night, at the dark in the evening, and my mother sent me to bed, I can see through my open window, house window, from the house window, he sees that the watchman walking up and down. Watchman walking up and down. Please note down this. Bagged, scorched, one type of absorb and sweaty by sunlight, scorched by terrible heat. Meaning of bagged, scorched by the terrible heat, up and down, moving upward and downward, moving upward and the downward. After the two, he meets the two vocational person. First is the hawker and the other is the gardener. Now, third stanza. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sent me to bed, I can see through my open window and watch you walking up and down. The schoolboy now become and prepare for the sleep, but in his house window he look at the watchman who walking up and down meaning moving upward and downward. The lane means road, street, dark and lonely. totally dark because it is a night time, and the street lamp stand like a giant with one red eye in its head, because red light is there. So here poet says that the lamp stand like a giant with one red light in its head. The watchman swing his lantern, we all know about the lantern, and the walks with his shadow at his side. He walks with shadow, and shadow, we all know about the shadow also. Shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. And at night, because it is his duty, so he never goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street. Now at night he prefer to be a watchman, and he wish he were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadow with my lantern. And I want to chasing the shadow of him, shadow of the schoolboy. Schoolboy wants to chasing his shadow. This poem is written by the Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. In this poem, third stanza tells us about that at night when it is evening and my mother sent me to bed, preparation for sleep, I can see through my open window a watchman walking up and down the lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamps stand like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side. Never once goes to bed in his life. Now he wants to be a watchman. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadow with my lantern. This poem by the Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Please children note down this. In this poem, children, poet tells us about the mind of the child, which is full of imagination. In this poem, schoolboy first of want to be a hawker, then wants to be a gardener, and then wants to be a watchman. Why he wants to be a hawker? Because the hawker have no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come in. That's why without any tension or without any road, without any where he wants to go, so he wants to be a hawker, spending my day in the road and crying bangles, crystal bangles. In the second stanza, the schoolboy, when he at 4 afternoon come back from the school, he wants to be a gardener because he saw the gardener digging the ground, and he now wants to be a gardener because nobody takes him to task, nobody tell him about anything, and he just back in the sun and gets wet. So now 4 o'clock he wants to be a gardener and digging the garden, and nobody stopped him from digging. And at night, when in the evening his mother sent him to bed, he can see through open the window watchman with lantern and the street light with giant one red eye and the shadow of the watchman. And now he becomes to a watchman, walking the street all night, chasing the shadow with my lantern. And this poem is written by the Rabindranath Tagore. Children, please. Now it is a homework time. Children, please note down the homework. In the next class, we will take a exercise. It is a homework time. Write down the homework. Homework. Write poem 8 in your notebook. Write poem 8 in your notebook. Please children note down the homework. Now children, it is a bye-bye time. We will take its exercise in the next class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.